Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, February 18th, 2010. This morning I wanted to go through the other initial resources that come with VisualWorks Non-Commercial to get you started after you've gotten it installed. I went through this Getting Started workspace that has a whole bunch of links to things like our website. Going over here to Overview, this gives a brief overview of what Smalltalk is, what it's good for, and how it works. Not an overview from a technical syntax standpoint, but just an overview from a higher level standpoint, so you can get an interesting idea of where Smalltalk came from and where it's going. If you go to Features, you'll find things that come with the non-commercial product, where you'll learn that the non-commercial product runs on a bunch of platforms. It's the same functionality as the commercial product, with the difference being the license. The license prevents you from deploying commercially with it, but there's no time bomb. There's nothing broken in here. It won't limit you in any way other than not being able to deploy commercially. So you can experiment with all these things like the COM Connect, the database connects, and all that stuff. Finally, go over here to Introduction. This is where you will get the actual syntax introduction to Smalltalk. This was produced by Ivan Tomek back in 2003, but it's still mostly relevant. Some of the browser examples are a little off, but the text as far as things like the syntax of Smalltalk, none of that stuff has changed. So you can go through here and get a good basic grounding in how Smalltalk works, what the structure of the language is, and learn things from that. I've got another screencast that goes through this workspace in a fair amount of detail, parts 1, 2, and 3 of syntax, so you can watch that and get an idea of what I'm talking about. But go here, if you're not that familiar with Smalltalk, walk through this workspace, get a notion of how things work. So it's kind of a brief overview of what the non-commercial comes with. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.